Before he became a husband and father to twins, George Clooney garnered a reputation in Hollywood that surpassed that of his acting skill. A long list of girlfriends and former flames saw him crowned the eternal bachelor, but even then, it didn't stop some of Hollywood's biggest starlets from getting close with the leading man. Prior to developing a rather impressive dating CV, Clooney was actually a married man. Back in the early 90s, he married actress Talia Balsam. Perhaps the divorce set him on the path, but ultimately it was Amal Alamuddin turned the serial dater into a monogamous partner for life. Here we take a look back at all of Clooney's former films. Kelly Preston. George and Kelly Preston lived together before either of them were famous actors. George Clooney and Kelly Preston started dating in 1988, shortly after her divorce from Kevin Cage. Before she married John Travolta, Preston and Clooney had a rather serious relationship that saw them live together for a period of 2 years. While they were living together, George gave Kelly a pot-bellied pig named Max that he continued to care for until the pig died in 2006. Talia Balsam. After breaking up with Kelly Preston, George started dating Talia Balsam. Having dated in the 80s, the two stars eventually tied the knot in Las Vegas in 1989. Later, Clooney confessed to Vanity Fair that he probably wasn't someone who should have been married at that point. George Clooney and actress Talia Balsam were married from December 1989 to 1993. Kimberly Russell. George and actress Kimberly dated for a few years following his divorce, but they split in 1995. Karen Duffy. George Clooney and Karen Duffy are known to have been on at least one date before they appeared together at the Emmys in September 1995. They are rumored to have had a brief romance around this time. Céline Belletramp. Belletramp, a French law student and waitress, met Clooney while he was filming The Peacemaker. She then followed him to LA where they dated for 3 years. She moved to California to live with George, but the couple split in 1999. Charlize Theron. George Clooney and Charlize Theron were rumored to be seeing each other for a time in 2000, shortly after George and Céline Belletramp broke up. Lucy Liu. The two were rumored to date for most of 2000, but no official confirmation was ever issued by either party. Lisa Snowdown. George Clooney and Lisa Snowdown began their relationship in 2000. Clooney and the British model dated on and off for about 5 years. They met while the actor was taping a commercial in Spain. Their relationship lasted until June 2005. Lisa has since said that George's fame got in the way of her work and ultimately their relationship. Carol Radziwiłł. Author and journalist Carol has spoken about dating George on The Real Housewives of the New York. She tweeted, "I don't kiss and tell, but if I did tell, I would say Clooney was a very good kisser," after his name was mentioned in a 2012 episode. Krista Allen. George Clooney and Krista Allen began dating after they met on the set of Confession of a Dangerous Mind in 2002. Clooney and Allen dated for 2 years, after which they broke up in 2004. Renee Zellweger. Zellweger and Clooney were rumored to have dated in 2003 after she split from Jim Carrey. The two dated a little bit according to the actor. They have remained friends for well over a decade. They have also been co-stars in Leatherhead and Friends, but they both denied any romance. Instead, the two said in 2007 that they have been friends ever since. Jennifer Sable. Before she became the First Lady of San Francisco, actress Jennifer Sable was linked to George Clooney. He, however, says they went out for a minute. Sarah Larson. George Clooney and model Sarah Larson began dating in 2007. Fear Factor winner Sarah Larson got to walk the Oscar red carpet with George, and she stayed with him even after the two were involved in an accident when George's motorcycle was clipped by a car. They attended the Academy Award together in 2008 and split up in May of that year. Elisabetta Canales. George met Italian beauty and TV personality Elisabetta in Rome in 2009. Over the years, they enjoyed romantic motorcycle ride and steamy red carpet moment. George Clooney and Elisabetta Canales confirmed they were dating after Elisabetta was first spotted on back of George's motorcycle in July. The two made their first joint public appearance as a couple at the September premiere of The Man Who Stared at Ghosts. After a 2-year relationship, Clooney released a statement that he and the Italian actress had split. Canales later went on to say that the relationship ended due to their personal needs. The love only lasted for so long for Clooney, and the pair confirmed in a joint statement that they split in June of 2011. Stacy Keibler. Keibler made her debut as George Clooney's girlfriend in 2011 when the pair vacationed at the actor's Lake Cameo home, and the two were inseparable for more than a year before work commitment kept them apart. The two reportedly called it quit in the summer of 2013. It is said that the pair remained friends. Amal Alamuddin. A Hollywood heartthrob and confirmed bachelor, falls for a brilliant humanitarian lawyer, and eventually the two create the picture perfect family. The couple met at the actor's Lake Cameo home in July of 2013 when a mutual friend stopped by while en route to Cannes with Amal. In an equally fateful twist, the star's parents were also visiting him at the time, so Amal was introduced to Clooney family on the same day. The two hit it off immediately, corresponding for several weeks before the romance truly blossomed. The duo's first official date came in October 2013 when George invited Amal, who was living in London, to come visit him at the famed Abbey Road studio, while he surprised the score for his 2014 film The Mountains Man. After months of planning, down to a playlist of music to accompany the proposal, George invited Amal to a home-cooked dinner on April 28, 2014, hiding the 7-carat engagement ring inside of a lighter box that Amal used to light the candlelit table. After a short engagement, the couple tied the knot in September 2014, just shy of a year after their first date. When Amal became pregnant in 2016, the overjoyed couple got an additional surprise in the form of twins. In June of 2017, 1 month premature, Amal gave birth to twins Ella and Alexander. Returning to her work representing refugees in September of 2017, Amal has managed to excel at the office and as a mom. Coupled with George's creative work and the 2017 sale of his tequila brand, the duo remain very busy, but make the time to dedicate to their children, traveling with them to some of family's favorite spots around the world. So this was the list of all the ladies George Clooney has dated. We have tried to cover all the stars who have dated Clooney even for a short while. Hope you like our video. If so, drop a like button and get subscribed to our channel for more such awesome content. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We have dropped our social media link in the description box below. And as always, thanks for watching.